Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be sharing my morning skincare with you today, and I'm going to also tell you my opinions about how I feel about each product. So I got my coffee. Let's get to it. The first step is face wash. So this is CERAVE Acne Control Cleanser. This has 2% salicylic acid in it, as well as 3 essential ceramides and niacinamide. Now, I've been really happy with this product. It smooths my face and nourishes it, and it definitely is doing something to my skin. I can feel it. So let's apply it. I just take one pump. I dampen my face with some water first. Now I'm just going to take a wet towel and just clean everything. Now we're all washed up and I'm a little bit flushed. So let's get to the next product, which is Ren's Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. This is supposed to eliminate dead skin cells and exfoliate for brighter, clarified, hydrated, smooth skin. I think it definitely does exfoliate, but I can't attest to other claims that this product has. I have a little bit left, so I'm going to use it, finish it up. I don't believe I'm going to repurchase it though. I just take a handful, like 3-4 pumps, 3-4 drops, and just press it onto my skin. The next product I'm going to be using is KHIEL'SClearly Corrective Dark Spot Corrector. This is supposed to be a dark spot corrector, brightening serum that helps with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and post-acne marks. Now, I used to have really bad acne, and I do have a lot of acne scars. I definitely feel that the serum is doing something to my skin. When I use it at night or in the morning, my face just feels brighter and more smooth. So I'm definitely going to repurchase this after I'm done. So let's apply it. I apply like 4 pumps. And again, just press it onto my skin. I don't know why I'm so flushed. Oh, I know why. I've been sick. If you haven't watched my makeup tutorial when I was sick, just go watch it. I'll link it up above. Next is Dermalogica's Age Bright Clearing Serum. This is supposed to help prevent breakouts while reducing visible skin aging. It has salicylic acid in it, which helps with the breakouts, and then phytoactives, which is supposed to help with dehydration. It also has niacinamide in it. Now, I definitely haven't had a breakout in a long while, which is great. So I think this is doing something, and I would purchase this product. It does feel like it's doing something. So let's apply 4 pumps of this. And again, press it onto my skin. Now I wait for a couple of minutes for the serums to dry on my skin before I apply the moisturizer. Next product I'm going to be using is SUPERFOOD's Air Whip Moisture Cream with kale, spinach, and hyaluronic acid in it. This cream has hyaluronic acid in it. It is lightweight, works well under makeup, and it's not greasy. I just started using this, and I'm pretty happy with it. I generally do get along with Youth to the People products, so I would repurchase this. I mean, it is not that hydrating, but it's just like a gel cream that goes on. It just feels nice. Let's take this much, and then just, it's very slippery. I don't like that, but it's okay. It feels good. Now, I'm one of those people that believe in the benefits of using an eye cream. So I'm going to use an eye cream. That is the last step. I'm using my Rock Retinol Correction Cream. This is supposed to tackle 3 different eye concerns: puffiness, dark circles, and wrinkles. I can attest to like it helping puffiness and wrinkles. I'm not so sure about how much it helps with dark circles, but I'm still loving it. I'm almost out. I might repurchase it. But there's just a lot of eye creams out there that I want to try, so maybe not for a while. Let's apply a little bit on my ring finger. And then gently massage it onto my eyes. Next stop is sunscreen. I'm going to be using my SUPERGOOP Unseen Sunscreen SPF 30. I just take a little bit of this on the palm of my hand and I really like this sunscreen because it's so lightweight. And we have come to the end of this video. Please let me know what products you use for hyperpigmentation and acne scars. It would really help me. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.